So this is the master bedroom. We're redoing the floor. New cabinets going in for a vanity. We moved the closet. This is a new closet we're putting in. It used to be right here on this wall. But there was a wall right here that was kitty corner going across this way to the corner right there. Electrical is hanging off the ceiling because it was on the wall that we removed, and we are converting this walk-in closet into a bedroom since it's big enough. So this is
when you're done, so I can solve
a conversion. We're adding a new doorway there. And there was a tub right there which got removed, rerouted all the plumbing. And there was a sink right here, which is now going to go here. So we're configuring everything in this bathroom. There's going to be a door right here on this wall. In between those two lights, those lights are getting removed as well. And that's what we're doing on this remodeling job.